What's up YouTube, it's your boy Kakashi Crypto aka Cash. This is how it's going down. Basically, this is my second time recording this video because like a donut.
You're so stupid. You're so stupid. You're stupid. Dumb.
I deleted my video, okay? I was clearing out what's on my desktop because my computer's old. I'm a cheapskate. Well, I'm not cheapskate, but I'm trying to save money. And I deleted the video. So I'm recording this for the second time. It might not be as long as the first one, but we'll just go over everything quickly.
Stephen, what do you want to do tonight?
The same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try to take over the world.
Having money on my mind, I having money in my pocket. Bone marrow roasted, spread it on the rosemary bread, lightly toasted, drizzle with the vinaigrette.
Okay, so looking at the markets, basically not much movement in the top 10 as I previously said, which you guys did not hear. But yeah, biggest mover that we've had is Binance Coin and Bitcoin SV, not in that order, but you guys get what I mean. The biggest losers in the top 10, minus 5% for Chainlink. I did think this coin would hold around, you know, the $10 mark, but we'll do some TA on it in a later video. But I do believe it will stay around this level and it's not gonna, you know, dip further than that. It's now in this what I believe to be the consolidation phase, but don't quote me. Biggest gainers, you have Energy Web token, interesting coin, don't care about it. Zilliqa, this will be, you know, the dessert, sorry, not the dessert, the main meal of today's video. We're currently in the appetizer, you know, we're cutting up. Anyway, enough of the weird analogies and all that jazz. Looking at the biggest losers, Kitten.Finance minus 13%, Thorchain minus 13 as well, and engine coin. I don't care about these. Okay, let's talk about what we're here for. Okay, first of all, Kitten.Finance, I talked about it yesterday. This coin, it has somewhat gone up from yesterday. I don't like how this is displayed, and in fact I will go onto a different chart. But yeah, I bought in maybe around $113 per coin or something. I don't know, I was planning to load up on it, but then I discovered SSL, which we'll talk about today. That's going to be the dessert of today's video. Ultimately guys, the halving is in 4 hours 54 minutes and counting. So load up your bags guys, because it's gonna not moon, but you know, the price will go up, just put it that way. Looking at the chart for SSL, sorry, for Kitten.Finance, just some quick TA. We are finding some support at this level here, which is roughly the $108 mark. Like so, we've had several bounces, you know, let's say, to be conservative, let's say just say 2 bounces off of it here and here. You could say 4, you could say 5, but to be conservative, let's just count, you know, these 2 as, you know, so let's say we've double bottomed, and either we break down, you know, after the halving, which is in, sounds like a cultic event, the halving. But yeah, either we break down and, you know, don't respect this level, which you have done several times, and I hope that doesn't happen, and then we go to test these levels before going up, or we hold these levels as support, have this double bottom, and then we go up to test these, you know, local highs here before we start to moon. And when I say moon, that's a relative term, you know, I just mean go up in price. But yeah, this might have to be a long-term hold for me because I like the tokenomics of the coin. That's enough about the coin. I'm not going to go over anymore. Halving, supply demand, half demand, more supply, sorry, half supply, more demand, yada yada yada. You get the gist of it. Zilliqa, okay, so looking at Zilliqa, we'll look at Lunar Crush first of all. So looking at Lunar Crush, you guys know about this. It gives you a social score depending on the social interaction of all these different coins, as well as the different price data for the daily, weekly, monthly, 3 monthly, also known as quarterly, and 6 monthly, and also yearly price action or monthly action or whatever. So basically with Lunar Crush, when the galaxy score is above 50, it means it's bullish. When it's above 70, it means it's very, very bullish. When the alt rank is low, the lower it is, the better it is. So when it's 1, That's the best alt rank you can get. 2, that's still a very, very good alt rank. This is only second to Tomo Chain, and that's because Tomo Chain has had a 28% pump in the last day. I'm not covering that coin today. You guys can look at that yourselves on CoinGecko or Lunar Crush. Sorry. Anyway, what are we talking about? So this coin has had an integration with SSL, but we'll talk about that a bit later. Looking at the overall metrics, we have seen some spikes in social volume. Yesterday we had a score of 141, and then also on the 29th of September we had a spike in the price, or in the social interaction, and had a score of 263, which is the biggest it's been in the last 24 hours or so. Looking at the weekly, let's see if that makes a difference in terms of the social interaction. So yeah, 29th of September is when most of it's been slowly bubbling up, and Zilliqa, I like what they're doing, man. I like what they're doing. If you're a Zilliqa holder, continue to DCA, guys. I wouldn't say marry the coin, because ultimately it's best, to get in and out of a coin, like your Jamaican dad leaving your family. Sorry guys if you're Jamaican, sorry, inappropriate joke, but hey man, stereotypes are based on the truth. It is what it is. I said what I said, okay. Anyway, looking at the social interaction, we can see steady and increasing volume, both for posts and also for favorites as well, and also for quotes as well. Okay guys, just to briefly cover the Zilliqa Twitter page. So they have announced non-custodial staking is set to be released on the Zilliqa mainnet on the 14th of October. So this may be somewhat feeding into the price surge of Zilliqa, as well as the fact that there will be Zilliqa Swap and Gzil, yada yada yada. I'm not here for that. This is the coin we're talking about. This is probably why this coin surged in the last 24 hours. It surged. I'm such an idiot, man. I should have bought it. Instead, I didn't do the research and I went to sleep. I'm an idiot. I would have made 1.6x on the 1 ETH I was going to put in. But shoulda, woulda, coulda. My name's not Buddha. Anyway, they're integrating social pay and also NFTs. You guys know that NFTs are very, very hot right now. They'll continue to be hot for at least, I think, a month, 2 months, who knows. But you've seen with crypto, there's trends, whatever. SSL, they're incorporating with Zilliqa, and it's gonna be big. It's gonna be big. This coin, the tokenomics they're so sexy. It will turn you on. Okay, the token supply for SSL is 1,100 tokens. Let me say that again, 1,100 tokens. So this is a good and a bad thing, but we'll get into that a bit later on. So that is Zilliqa, guys. That is what they have announced. This is why. We'll get into that a bit later on, okay? Looking at the chart for Zilliqa, it seems like we are forming a descending wedge. Guys, you're gonna ask me where I got this from? Well, my name, I think, says it all. I do what I do. Anyway, we seem to be we seem to be forming a descending wedge. Looking at the MACD, we are ending somewhat the bearish sentiment, as indicated by the lesser volume on the histogram bars, as well as the trend lines also starting to go horizontal, and it looks like the blue line is going to cross over the orange line, indicating a bullish move in the next couple of weeks, like we saw. Sorry guys, 1 second. Like we saw, oh my days, Jesus Christ, man. Sorry guys. Like we saw here, just here or so. We crashed, had a consolidation, and fair enough, yeah, this was the March crash, but ultimately on the 2 daily, I think it has more significance than the 4 hourly or even the daily. We saw a bullish crossover on the 10-day EMA and the 20-day EMA, and then the price mooned. We've had some consolidation. Now we are entering, I believe, what is a descending wedge, and it's just a matter of time before, in my personal opinion, we do see a bullish crossover on the MACD, and then a bullish crossover on the 10-day and 20-day EMA before Zilliqa moons. So ultimately, well, not ultimately, but additionally, we have seen a double bottom on, you know, this green area of support here. So as you can see, so we could potentially go up to test this level here, maybe get rejected, bounce around and moon, or potentially, you know, continue to trade sideways, then moon, or even break down before it goes up. But I do believe Zilliqa by the end of the year will at least test these levels 100%, 1000%, 200,000%. Okay, that's, I'm sure of that. I'm very, very sure of that. And if you don't believe me, or if you think I'm on crack, I don't know what to say to you. So that's Zilliqa. Okay guys, looking at SSL. So this coin, let's look at the Medium article really quickly. I'm gonna just summarize it as best as I can. So they have integrated with Zilliqa. They are integrating social pay and also NFTs. NFTs are hot. They're the shizness right now. Okay, I don't even know what that word means, but you get what I'm saying. This coin has two tokens, basically SSL and SERGs, so we'll get into that a bit later. But very, very simply, they're gonna be, not simply, very, very briefly, they'll be doing an AMA, so asking me anything, which is what I recently found out. This coin, it's been around for a while. It wasn't taken seriously at first, but the community has, you know, got behind it, and very, very, very good in my opinion. But the tokenomics are beautiful. Like, as I said, you know, it started off as a meme coin with zero utility, but then, you know, people got behind it. There's two tokens. So SSL, that will be the governance part and be used to earn protocol fees, and then there's SERGs, which will be the fuel for staking tokens and to mint NFTs. SSL is an ERC20 token, so you can trade that on Uniswap, I believe. SERGs is an ZRC2 token built on the Zilliqa chain, and this is done so that, you know, the fees are less and the transactions are a lot quicker. So fair play to them. I like that. I like that feature. Sorry. So yeah, there'll be a social dApp which I'm gonna try to figure out how to use, because essentially you will get paid to make interactions with, you know, where is it? It's in the Telegram group, but basically if you get a certain amount of retweets and likes, you get paid for that interaction, and on top of that you can then make money from selling the NFTs. You guys gonna have to look into, I'm not gonna go over it because I need to get ready for work soon, but they have a interesting tokenomics model. There'll be staking and there'll be free tokens, the U token, the Just token and the Win token. Each farmer should earn at least one Just, one U and one Win. Sorry, I didn't say that in order, I don't know why, but yeah. And then this will be burnt to mint one NFT which they sell on the market, and then from that NFT which is sold, you get 65% as the creator, 25% goes to the SSL incentive treasury, and then 10% goes to the dev pool. 25% of the protocol fees will be shared amongst SSL holders for each NFT sold. So I'm not sure if they're staking or not. I do need to do a bit of further research. This is just me briefly going over the Medium article. Ultimately I do have a lot of work to do, but yeah, look at the Telegram group. There'll be a lot of information there. This is just like a brief summary of, you know, what the token is, what it's about. You know, if we can see a fat spike of 165% in the SSL token, bearing in mind, you know, it does have a small supply, but both Zilliqa and SSL saw massive interest, and it's because NFTs are hot right now. I'm not going to say the same thing over again. Sorry that I'm repeating myself. Looking at the price, we are seeing, you know, a nice slow price appreciation. If you guys got in here, I envy you. Okay, who had the chance to get in here and didn't? Who had the chance to get in here and didn't? Me. I'm a donor. Okay,
Donut, you're so stupid. You're so stupid. You're stupid.
I'm a donor, as Jamie said. I don't think it's too late to get in this coin, guys. Yeah, we missed 165% pump. Going over Kitten.Finance ever so briefly, I do believe we are entering a descending wedge, which is very, very sexy, very, very appealing to me. Not to keep on rambling on, I got in this coin, I flipped it here or so. I thought, you know, several times that this coin would crash, but it didn't. You know, we are seeing a lot of support at this horizontal level here, which is, I don't know, the 6 ETH level, just roughly. But I do believe we are entering a descending wedge, and I do believe we are pending a breakout. Whether we, you know, continue to hold this level as support before going up, or we break this, you know, level of support and continue to trend downwards before an impending breakout, I do not know. But I just thought I'd put it onto your radars. Sorry, something for my room. Ultimately, I'm gonna wait for, you know, another retracement on this coin before I do put some more money into it. And yeah, this could be an easy trade. It just depends. This is on the hourly chart, by the way, guys. Not financial advice as always, but if you're getting value from this video, make sure you smash the like button and you subscribe if you're new, by the way, because Kakashi Crypto is here to stay. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna be the video, guys. I'm just gonna cut it short. I was gonna go over a bit more, but I think I've done enough. So yeah, smash the like button, hit subscribe if you're new. Bye bye bye. I'm out.